to the control panel, then select System and Security option. Select Windows Update. Then click Check for updates. Search antivirus in the search bar of Start menu, then select the app installed in the device. Click Start, then wait until the scanning is finished. Go to the control panel and select Programs option. Select Program and Features, then right-click to the app you want to uninstall. Use a brush to clean the dust in the keyboard. Spray a cleaning solution to the microfiber cloth, then gently wipe the keyboard. Remember to not spray directly the cleaning solution to the keyboard. Spray a cleaning solution to the microfiber cloth, then wipe the mouse gently. Always remember to not spray directly on the devices. Spray a cleaning solution to the microfiber cloth, then wipe gently the monitor of the device. Do not spray directly the cleaning solution to the monitor.